What are we doing today, Matt?
We're just going to check to see if there's been a honey flow on today. The bees have been quite busy, and also we're just going to check to see if they finished drawing out the second brood box we added last week.
Okay.
Quite a few bees up the top on the crown board. Quite a few bees on the top of there.
Oh, they're moving up, aren't they? There was none in here the other day, was there? Or was it?
This is one of the supers we've had on. Yeah, they're just drawing that out now.
Any honey in there?
There's a bit of honey here. Maybe to the middle frames here, maybe. You can see there. They're just starting to cap that off. Right, we'll just go and check see what the rest of it's doing. I'll take the top super off. There's a fair bit of weight in that. Have a look. And then the second box we've got on here is a sectional rack. And we just thought we'd try this, just to see what they're doing. Well, they are drawing the comb out. There's bees in there.
What's that for then? So we're thinking for honey jars, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah, to make honeycomb. So this was the super we added before the brood box. So the bees are just figuring this out, drawing this out. Obviously the bees have got a bit of work to do now. Draw the additional brood box out, draw this super that I've added. But you know, there's plenty of bees in here, they'll be able to manage this. Seems there's the decent weather, which we have recently. You know, they've started drawing that out, obviously.
It's lovely weather today.
We'll just take the super off. Have a look here. So there's plenty of bees here in the second brood box we added the other day, because the first brood box was full of bees and we were running out of space. So we'll just smoke these down now.
Why just smoke them down?
Just to get them off the top, really. Make sure the queen's not on the drones here. We're going to make it through the excluder.
And the excluders to stop the queen going up into the
That's it, yeah. So
supers, yeah.
That's it, yeah. Make sure she doesn't lay on the supers. We'll just turn this over. Have a look to make sure the queen's not there. Queen's marked green, 2024. Happy. And we'll just go through here and see how they're getting on. So we're just starting to draw the first frame out. Nice, plenty of bees in there. No visible sign of the queen. I think we can put that to one side. And we'll just have a look how the rest of the frames are getting on. This is very similar, better if anything. So we can have a look down there, see how many bees are in there in the brood box. The bees are just starting to bring some honey stores around the edges in this one now, and close to the middle. I don't know if you can see it there shining in the top of the frame. When we checked this the other day, the queen was actually already in this top brood box, so she might be in here now into the centre of the brood chamber. You see the bees have worked like massively. They've built all this out near enough in the middle. So they're doing a good job there. And that's we started filling that with honey stores and pollen. So that's no sign of eggs yet. Frames, 90% drawn out. Thought they'd fill it all with honey. It's no problem. And this, they put pollen in here. They've been busy. And this one. Bees tend not to draw out the end frames as well as the ones in the centre, so what we'll do now, we'll manipulate these frames so we can try and have bees on bees. So if you have a look here, there's very little on that, so there's no brood in here now, so we'll drop this in the centre hopefully somewhere. We've got bees on bees, hopefully they'll draw that out a bit better. And do the same with this one. Remove this, but they have started working on that, and it's been the end frame, so we'll put that in there. Hopefully. Good. And we'll push these up. And we'll do the same with some of these outside frames here. Like this. And here. Round. And we'll put the first frame now. Hopefully that'll help the bees draw the frames out fully, so the queen will have some more space to lay, or we'll get some extra honey. We carry on bringing the honey into the brood frames, it's no problem. We'll spin them off as honey and go from there. That's it for this colony.